Welcome back to the channel Crypto Nitro community. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to introduce you to what is known as Tribe Dex. We are talking about a decentralized exchange for perpetual futures trading on Ethereum layer 2. We're talking about Arbitrium and Optimism. You heard that correct, guys. So this is a decentralized exchange for perpetual futures trading. Whenever it comes to this platform, it is definitely built for fast, profitable, and fully anonymous DeFi trading with no KYC. And guess what, you guys? There is no limit at all. You heard that correct. So unlike traditional DEXs, Tribe focuses on automation, sustainable tokenomics, and maximizing user yield, which is actually really cool. Not only that, you guys, they also offer advanced trading tools, flexible staking mechanics, and a long-term buyback model to support TMX price growth and community value. Okay. So if we actually kind of dive down in here, you guys will see they do provide a lot of important details. So typically we had that private seed round investment, which I think is already done. And you guys can see like all the important details. So agreement terms, why join Tribe? Technically it talks about the seed phase, right? But just in general, let's go ahead and actually kind of break this down here for you. I want you guys to understand, I mean, trading. So obviously they got perpetual with up to say 30x leverage, centralized exchange like interface, which is actually pretty good. They got multi-account support and risk management, and they even have built-in DCA grid bots, right? Dollar cost average grid bots and auto trading along with copy trading. So liquidity, let's talk about this, you guys. You guys will see right here, liquidity provision, we got market making. Okay, let's talk about this, you guys. 200 to 500% APY. That's going to be actually pretty good, especially for staking rewards, considering there's 40%. You can actually earn from trading fees. So we're talking about 50% plus TMX rewards. Even use TLP tokens as collateral, say for trading, which is actually pretty cool. And then they have impermanent loss protection, right? And permanent, right? Which is actually pretty cool. Okay. So once again, token, just go and let you guys know we got the staking. So you're going to be able to stake, earn up to like 500% APY as mentioned. They got governance participation, which is actually very important, especially if you get in early. And then they even got buyback and burn model for long-term value. Okay, so you guys will see right here, obviously, like I stated, I think this is already done with the seed phase, right, which is actually pretty cool. Not only that, you guys will see right here, we have that token generation event. So speaking of this, you guys, I will go ahead and tell you right now that they do have a debit card that's actually pretty cool for crypto spending. All right, so if you actually scroll through here, you guys will see that there is a lot of information, right, which is actually pretty awesome. But not only that, you guys, but also once you guys understand, I mean, it's great for Arbitrium and Optimism network users. Obviously, you're going to have the opportunity to spend crypto in cash with your debit card, as we've already briefly mentioned. The private sale, as I mentioned, the TMX tokens, it finished. They raised literally like $871,000, so they technically raised a lot, which is great. This obviously shows the project's strength and growth. Not only that, you guys, they do have, once again, we have this token generation event, okay, as mentioned. Okay, with the top, all right, the sale, you guys, is going to top out at 485 Ethereum, which is technically open for funding, and you guys can actually see that right here. Okay, which is actually really good. All right, so obviously the token generation sale, so basically token generating event, it's now open for funding deposit. So you can deposit your Ethereum, okay, on you can do Arbitrium network, right? And you can actually take your TMX tokens at a discounted price. All right, not only that, the guys, you got I think these guys have a Weeks, which is technically going to be listing their token. And not only that, top 10 exchange listings, they're going to be announced very soon. Okay, so how to deposit? Once again, Arbitrium, you guys can see that right here. Minimum deposit 0.05, which is actually pretty cool. Exclusive access to the tokens, and we have transparent distribution, then we have the ecosystem, right? So which is awesome. So if you're interested, all you gotta do is click right here. You're gonna be able to connect your wallet. Okay, so Trust Wallet, we got Wallet Connect, MetaMask. Once again, you're going to be able to deposit your Ethereum on the Arbitrum network. So actually, here is a contract address. All right. So once again, you got to make sure it's above this amount, though, to 0.05. Okay, very important. So make sure you guys connect your wallet. More importantly, make sure you guys are a part of the social medias. You want to make sure you smash up that follow button, which is great. Hit these little hearts, okay? Be like, hey, I like this project. Let's show some appreciation. Ooh, I like this, okay? This actually looks better than the roadmap on their website. So yeah, check this out. Big opportunity. Make sure you guys are part of the Telegram as well. You can just kind of click open right there. And oopsies. Let's see. There we go. All right, so there we go. All right, so you guys can see right here. All right, check this out. Big opportunity. Do not miss out. All right, let us know exactly what you guys think about this project. Okay.